The Chinese myth of Nüwa and the creation of humanity is one of the most well-known origin stories in Chinese mythology. Nüwa as a goddess credited with creating human beings and repairing the sky after a great catastrophe. The creation of humanity. According to legend, in ancient times, the world was empty of humans. Nüwa, a divine being with the head of a human and the body of a serpent or dragon, roamed the earth alone. Feeling lonely, she decided to create living beings to keep her company. She began by molding figures out of yellow clay, shaping them carefully by hand. These figures came to life and became the first humans. However, creating each human individually was slow and tiring. To speed up the process, Nüwa dipped a rope or vine into the mud and flung droplets onto the ground, each droplet transforming into a person. A variation of the story suggests that the handmade clay figures became the nobles, while those formed from flung mud droplets became common people, explaining social hierarchy in ancient China. Repairing the sky. Another famous myth involving Nüwa tells of how she saved the world after a great disaster. The powerful god Gong Gong, in a fit of rage, smashed his head against Mount Buzhou, a pillar that held up the sky. The sky cracked, and great floods, fires, and chaos engulfed the earth. To repair the heavens, Nüwa 1. Collected 5 colored stones and melted them to patch the sky. 2. Cut off the legs of a giant turtle to use as pillars to support the sky. 3. Killed a black dragon to stop the destruction. 4. Created barriers to control the floods, saving humanity from extinction. With the sky restored and the world in order, Nüwa's efforts ensured the survival of humans, solidifying her role as a benevolent creator and protector in Chinese mythology. This myth is deeply symbolic, representing themes of creation, hierarchy, disaster, and resilience, and has been passed down for generations in Chinese folklore. Drop your comment and kindly subscribe for more amazing contents. Thanks.